Good morning, students. Welcome to Diademy IAS. I would like to show the program which I am launching for Mains 2024. The program name is called Marks Improvement Program. This Marks Improvement Program will help you to fetch maximum scores in UPSC Mains 2024. I have designed this program in such a way that you can easily cover entire history syllabus in 2 months. And how I designed, I would like to show you that. On an average, if you cover one chapter in 1 day, then in 2 months, you can comfortably complete entire history syllabus. This program contains sectional tests, likewise, and in the end, full-length texts. In the full-length test, it will be like paper 1, paper 2, like a final examination. In sectional test, it is like the first 6 chapters on the 7th day. Monday, you will start chapter 1, Tuesday, 2nd chapter, Wednesday, 3rd chapter, and after Sunday, till Saturday, you will finish 6 chapters. 6 days, 6 chapters. 7th day is going to be the revision test. There are 2 set of programs in this. If you want to write daily, you finish the syllabus on that particular day, take the target, and on that day itself, I will give 3 to 4 questions. You write and send it to me. I will evaluate personally and give the feedback to you. At the end of the week, whatever happened in the last 6 days, the revision test is going to be there. You can adapt for revision test also separately, or if you want to do both daily answer writing as well as revision test, you can do that also. This is how the sectional test will be conducted. Test 1 will be on every Sunday you will have the test. Test 1, test 2, test 3 like that. And total there are 8 tests. It will cover entire syllabus. And thereafter you will have full-length tests like 4 full-length tests. Now what will be the syllabus? If you take this week 1, we have to cover entire syllabus in 2 months. That means 8 weeks. Week number 1. This is Monday. When you start section 1, sources, section 2, prehistory and proto-history. This is exactly the syllabus given by UPSC. Like this, in paper 1, UPSC mentioned 24 such sections, 24 units. You can consider 24 chapters or 24 sections or 24 units. We are designing 1 day, 1 chapter. If you finish it, suppose if you are giving 10 hours per day of your entire preparation for Mains 2024, you give 50% of your day for the optional. Suppose if you are reading for 10 hours, give 5 hours for history. Out of that, 3 to 4 hours you study, then 1 hour you give for the writing the answers. Now, if you want to complete in 3 to 4 hours this entire chapter, that means you will not have the time to read new books. That's why you have to completely rely on your notes, whatever notes you are already following. You completely believe that notes. You first finish whatever notes you have. Suppose some students may get the doubt that I am not be able to complete syllabus. Some of the parts I do not have in my notes. What should I do? For moment, you just leave such kind of topics. Your first target is to finish on time. But you note down which topics you have missed in our notes. At the end of the week, like suppose you started on Monday, you finish whatever notes you have fastly in 3 hours and 1 hour you give for writing that chapter, that is done. Second day, this chapter is done. Third day, likewise, 6 days. Without worrying about the gaps, you first finish whatever notes you have. Then you keep writing everyday answers also. And at the end of the day, end of the week, you will have 1 sectional test. That is going to be revision of entire test. So revision of the topics. So whatever you are missing in the last 6 days, give some time for that. You just collect the information for those topics and you finish at the end of the week. In that way, in 1 week, you will be able to finish all the parts which are given in the syllabus. Our aim is to strictly follow the UPSC syllabus. If you just stick your concentration to the syllabus, it is very easy to complete entire history optional. But generally what happens, the moment we start reading one particular chapter, out of curiosity, we go beyond what is required for the examination. That takes time, that unnecessarily creates a lot of time for us. It will affect our GS preparation also, essay preparation also. We should not do that. You allocate the time for history, that means 4 to 5 hours, strictly follow that. In that number of hours, you can do just revise whatever you have done. If you do that very strictly, then first week itself, the 6 chapters will be done. Next, coming to the week 2, Mauryans, post-Mauryans, and in these, some of the chapters won't take even 3 hours. Some chapters are having very less amount of syllabus. You can do it very fastly in 2 hours also. That's why some chapters may require 6 hours also. That's why on an average, I am giving on an average 1 unit, 1 particular day. Likewise, section 9, then 11, 12. So up to 12 chapters, you are going to finish by the second week. That means paper 1, 50% is done. In 2 weeks, 50% of paper 1 will be done. Now, at the end of the week, you are going to write the test. Now you can see, in 2 weeks, if you finish 50% of paper 1, how much confidence you will get. Every day you are writing 3 to 4 questions. At the end of the week, 8 to 10 questions you are going to write. Now, overall, this entire program will cover around 400 questions. If you write 400 questions, then definitely your main score is going to be very good. Like that, week 3, next continue. Week 3 starts with early medieval, then cultural transitions, then medieval India, the 13th century. 1 day, 1 chapter. And it will go on. By 3rd week, you are going to finish up to the sections which are mentioned in directly UPSC up to this provincial dynasties in medieval India. Then come to the week 4. By week 4, you are going to finish entire paper 1 itself. You can see this is section 20, section 21, because total in UPSC there are 24 sections. So last section is the 18th century. So here by 4th week, you are going to finish paper 1. It is very, very systematic in nature. 1 day, 1 particular section, you finish it and you write the test, done. Once it is done, done for all. Now, after the 4th week, that means 5th week, in the 2nd month starting, you are going to start modern India. Again, same procedure, like you can see European penetration, 1 day, 1 particular section. British expansion in India, 1 day, 1 particular section. Early structure, likewise, by the 5th week, you are going to finish in modern India, 50% of it. Now, section week 6, by week 6, you are going to finish paper 1 also, in paper 2 also, 50% of the syllabus. By week 7 and week 8, you are going to completely prepare all the parts of the history syllabus. So here, goal is to finish entire history optional in 2 months with 400 questions. So this program is marks improvement program with 400 questions. Join and get the maximum benefit out of it. I will personally evaluate each and every answer. I will give one-to-one mentorship to the students, and I will give the model answers also to each and every question. Whatever question you are going to write, I will provide for each and every question model answers. And you please join our Telegram channel. Telegram channel is there. There you will find model answers also. I have uploaded multiple times how model answers are going to be. You can just go through that. And I frequently give some additional material also. You can check the quality of that material and you use the best out of this program. I am sure if you just a disciplined way, if you just stick to that syllabus, in 2 months, your preparation of history optional is going to be completely on track. I hope you will utilize this opportunity. All the best to all of you who are going for the mains 2024 with history optional. Thank you. See you all.